If you've got a Midea portable air conditioner and you're wondering how to drain it properly, you're in the right place. Step 1. When do you need to drain it? First things first, you don't always need to drain your Midea portable AC. Most of the time, it uses self-evaporation technology. But during really humid days, or if you're using it in dehumidifier mode, the internal tank can fill up. When that happens, you'll see ANFL or P1 error on the display. Step 2. Gather your tools. Before you start draining, grab a few things. A shallow tray or a small container, an old towel or cloth just in case. Optional. A drainage hose if you want continuous drainage. Step 3. Find the drain plug. Now let's find the drain. Look at the back or bottom of your AC unit. Most Midea models have 2 drains. 1. Upper drain for continuous draining, usually for dry mode. 2. Lower drain for manual draining. Today we're focusing on the lower drain plug. That's the one you'll need if the water tank is full. Step 4. Drain the water. Place your tray under the lower drain hole. Carefully unscrew the drain cap and the water will start coming out. Don't worry, it usually takes less than a minute. If your model has a rubber plug inside, just gently pull it out. Optional. Set up continuous drainage. If you want to avoid doing this again and again, you can use a standard garden hose with the upper drain outlet. Just connect it and make sure the other end goes into a floor drain or outside. Final step, close it up. Once all the water's out, plug the drain hole back up tightly and you're good to go. Your AC should now work perfectly again. Bye-bye error message.